Do you love the smell of essential oils but don't really know what to do with them or how they can actually be beneficial? Are you still wondering what essential oils are used for? In this video, I'm going to share with you some of the amazing ways that you can use these powerful potions. And be sure to stick around to the end and learn how you can get my free essential oil guide. Hi, I'm Terese Hamilton. I'm a former elementary teacher turned wellness educator. And my journey into essential oils and natural wellness started about 13 years ago while trying to help my then 7-year-old daughter. When I discovered essential oils and how they actually started helping when nothing else was, I was hooked and I wanted to learn all I could. Since then, I've not only helped my own family, but thousands of others. Essential oils have been used for thousands of years for their medicinal and therapeutic properties. This isn't anything new, but with modern technology, we're actually able to understand them more fully and how they interact and benefit our bodies. So essential oils are highly concentrated oil extracts that come from plants through various methods such as steam distillation or cold pressing. They are extracted from the leaves, the flowers, roots, and other parts of the plant. And these oils contain the essence and the aroma of the plant, and they have many therapeutic properties. So there are many different ways that you can actually use these essential oils. First is aromatherapy. Now, aromatherapy is probably the most common use of essential oils. Our sense of smell is so powerful. So when we smell, it enters our olfactory system and hits our amygdala and the limbic system. The limbic system affects our memories, emotions, even our hormones. I want you to think, is there a smell that brings back a specific memory for you? The scent of the oils can have a calming or relaxing effect on our body and our mind. Essential oils such as lavender or Roman chamomile, they can be very calming and relaxing on the body and mind, whereas an oil like peppermint can be very energizing and uplifting. To use an essential oil aromatically, you can simply put a drop into your hands, rub them together, and take some deep breaths. Also, adding drops to an essential oil diffuser is such a wonderful way to provide that aromatic benefits to the whole room. Essential oils are also used in a lot of skincare products for their antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Tea tree oil is a popular choice for treating acne, while rose oil or frankincense is used for its anti-aging properties. Adding these oils to your moisturizer is really a great way to get these added benefits. Some essential oils have pain-relieving properties and really can be used to reduce muscle soreness or tension. I love to use peppermint oil, for example, to relieve head tension. But adding an essential oil to the area of your body that needs a relief is a great way to use them. Essential oils are very potent, so add them with a carrier oil such as fractionated coconut oil to really avoid any skin irritations. Next, essential oils can also be helpful to relieve stress and anxiety. Oils such as lavender, chamomile, and ylang-ylang are all known for their calming properties, and you can use these aromatically like we talked about with rubbing them on your hands and smelling, but you can also rub them on your temples or on the back of the neck for some added relief. Another great use for essential oils is in your cleaning. Common household cleaners that you find on the shelves are very toxic, and making your own safe natural products are really simple and easy. Essential oils are a great ingredient for you to use in your cleaners because they have a lot of antibacterial properties. Tea tree oil, lemon, eucalyptus are all great choices. My favorite all-purpose cleaning spray is plain water, white vinegar, and lemon essential oil in a spray bottle. I use this to clean surfaces, mirrors, windows. It's even really great on my stainless steel. The last way that I want to share with how you can use essential oils is as an insect repellent. Essential oils such as citronella, lemon eucalyptus, and lemongrass, these are all great to keep those bugs away. You can make your own insect repellent by putting it on your skin. You can also make a bug spray, or even adding some of these essential oils to a diffuser will keep those pesky critters away. So you may have started with wondering, what were essential oils used for? Well, almost anything. They can be used for aromatherapy, skincare, pain relief, stress relief, cleaning, an insect repellent, and more. So for even more ideas, please download my free essential oil guide. And don't forget to subscribe and click that bell so you're notified for my next video. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.